Listen to following lecture or conversation, and then answer the most of choice questions based on the content.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's lecture is about a major trend in the world of technology and innovation, the rise of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is transforming various sectors of our society, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment, making it one of the most impactful innovations of our time. First, let's define artificial intelligence. AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include decision-making, speech recognition, visual perception, and even problem-solving. One of the most common examples of AI is machine learning, where computers can learn and improve their performance based on the data they process. This has enabled rapid advancements in fields like medicine, where AI systems can analyze medical scans or predict disease outcomes with remarkable accuracy. In the field of transportation, AI is playing a key role in the development of autonomous vehicles, or self-driving cars. These vehicles use AI algorithms to interpret data from cameras, sensors, and GPS to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and even communicate with other vehicles. While fully autonomous vehicles aren't yet common on public roads, many cars today already use AI to assist with tasks like parking, braking, and lane detection. Another area where AI is making significant strides is natural language processing, or NLP. This is the technology behind virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, which can understand and respond to spoken commands. NLP allows these systems to process and interpret human language, enabling more seamless interaction between people and machines. The improvement of AI and language translation services has also made global communication much easier and more efficient. However, despite all the benefits AI offers, it also comes with challenges. One major concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become more advanced, they may take over tasks traditionally performed by humans, particularly in industries like manufacturing, transportation, and even customer service. This has raised questions about the future of work and how society should prepare for the changes AI will bring. In summary, artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field with the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. But with this innovation also comes the need for thoughtful consideration of its societal impacts, particularly in the areas of employment and ethics.
What is the main topic of the lecture? What is one task that AI systems can perform? What role does AI play in transportation? What can be inferred about autonomous vehicles from the lecture? Why does the speaker mention natural language processing? How has AI improved global communication? What concern does the speaker raise about AI? Correct answers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.